Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your metrobank account. To learn, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that the YouTube will notify you when we upload a new video. So to begin, go to any web browser and in the URL box type in www.metrobank.co.uk, which will lead you to its official page. Now in the topmost right corner there is a login button. Click on that. Now choose whichever account you prefer for logging in. In this video I'll choose personal banking. After clicking that, you will need to enter your 12-digit customer number or your username. If you want the device to remember your username or your customer number, then click on Remember Me. But I would suggest you not to if you're using a shared account or a public device. If you forgot your customer number or username, then click on Forgot your customer number or username. If you forgot your password or security number, then click on Forgot your password or security number. If you haven't registered your online banking, then click on New to Online Banking, Register here. After typing your 12-digit customer number or username, click Continue. After clicking Continue, in the next page, you will need to enter your password or the security number. After typing in your password or the security number, press on Login, and you will log into online banking. So this was the process of logging into your metrobank account. If you found this video helpful, then do leave a like in this video and comment below for any queries or suggestions. Stay tuned as we will be providing you similar kind of content. Thank you.